Welcome to Shoot Street TV. My name is Aaron, and in this episode, I'm going to do an epic unboxing of my Leica M10 at the Leica headquarters in Wetzlar, Germany. Stick around at the end of the video for some sample pictures straight out of the Leica M10 in RAW format. This is my first time in Wetzlar, and of course my first time here at the Leica headquarters. And as you can see from this video that of course I brought my Leica M6 with me, and I'm very excited to purchase this Leica M10, my first digital rangefinder. This is the main lobby / Leica museum, and to the right here is the Leica store, which is you can see now. And as I was walking in, of course I was very excited. I had to get comfortable first, so I walked around the store, took some pictures from my Leica M6 before actually purchasing the Leica M10. Of course, prior to this, I called ahead and reserved the Leica M10 Black Chrome, and as this is my birthday month, of course I'm treating myself with this epic purchase of a digital Leica rangefinder.
Eva?
Hi, yes.
Hi, I'm Marina. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm just gonna get your equipment.
Okay.
Was the silver M10 and 30?
No, black chrome, please.
The
M10.
black?
Yeah, black chrome.
I think I'm changing something in my.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Thank you.
And there it is, my Leica M10 on a gray box, protecting the actual box. So now, of course, I'm about to purchase this, and right after this, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox my Leica M10 for the first time. Boom! And without further ado,
Here's the box right here.
about to unbox this Leica M10 and claim it as mine.
Let's get this out of the way. Alright, here we go.
Look at that smiling face. It's like a kid in a toy store.
So, here we go. So I got the Leica M10 Black Chrome, as you can see there.
I got my Leica M6 here for comparison to my new Leica M10.
Right, now we take this out of the box. This out of the way.
I don't even know where to don't even know where to put my box.
Alright, here we go. Alright. Here's the main camera over here.
Smells really fresh.
I like to smell stuff. New stuff.
I like smelling new stuff.
Smells good.
What a weirdo.
Put it right there. And here we go. The Leica M10. Black chrome finish.
My hands are shaking here, by the way, with excitement.
There you go. So, that's so smooth, yo.
I really like the physical ISO dial.
I'm gonna stay at 1600 for today. Sorry. Just taking a look at it. Really good. Okay.
So my plan was to actually charge the battery right away while I'm doing this unboxing, so that after the unboxing I can go out and shoot with the Leica M10 right away.
So let's see, battery here. Okay.
This is my guarantee card. As
right.
you can see, as I flip this over, there's a signature from the seller
The Leica store.
that I
Wetzlar.
actually purchased this in Wetzlar, Germany, which is pretty cool, right? And of course, as you can see here, pamphlets, notes, warranty stuff, and of course the actual manual.
Here's the actual instructions. Like M10. I'll read this later. Yeah. Okay. Let's get this out the way. Put it all back. I need the battery. Let's put that. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Very good. 110 version and 220. Perfect. We got a car charger too.
It's nice that this comes with a car charger, which is pretty cool.
This is
knowing that
this strap.
this is a street photographer's camera.
Then the Leica M10. This away. I think this is the battery. Yep. The battery right here. Okay. That's the charger right there. So 80%. I'm gonna charge it right now while I'm doing the unboxing. So after the unboxing, I'm gonna go shoot for the first time my Leica M10. Okay. So I'm gonna charge it right now over here. I like how it says this charger charge or 80% charge. I like that. So charge it. Alright, now it's charging. Set this aside for now. Back in here. The manual. Put this back in there.
And now I'm gonna put a strap on my new Leica M10, and I'll show you guys some sample pictures here in a minute. So all the sample pictures I'm about to show you are all shot in RAW, and I use my 50mm Summicron lens, and of course this is all unedited RAW files.